In the last unit, we looked at coins and how different values of coins earn you different amounts of money, and how we can exchange certain amounts of coins for new coins. So an example is if we had 5 pennies, we could exchange them for a nickel. If we had 10 pennies, we could exchange them for a dime. If we had 2 nickels, we could get a dime. If we had 10 dimes, we could get a dollar. If we had 4 quarters, we could get a dollar. Well, today we're going to take a look at dollar bills and how do we add up and how can we exchange dollar bills. Well, in front of you are 4 of the 6 most common dollar bills that we have. So you'll notice we have down here in the right hand corner, we've got the dollar bill. Now, the dollar bill and the $5 bill are the only dollar bills that also have presidents on a coin. So George Washington, our first president, is on the $1 bill. He's also on the quarter. Abraham Lincoln, who's our 15th president, is also on the penny and the $5 bill. For here we've got the $10 bill, and here we have the $100 bill. Now, we also have a $20 bill and a $10 bill. I'm sorry, $50 bill, because we have the $10 bill there. Now, we can take this money and we can count it up and we can exchange it and we can do these things that we did with our coins. So just like our coins, if I get 5 $1 bills, I can make a $5 bill. If I get 10 $1 bills, I can make a $10 bill. If I get 2 $5 bills, I can make a $10 bill. If I get 10 $10 bills, I can make $100 bills. I can do the same thing for 20 and 50. Now, to do that, counting dollar bills is a little bit easier than counting coins. Because with coins, it doesn't always tell you right there in front of you how much each one is worth. But on the dollar bill, it does. In the corner, you see there's a 5 and a 1 and a 10 and a 100. It tells you right away how much each one is worth in the corner. Now, not only does it tell you in the corners how much it's worth, it also tells you right down there at the bottom how much each one is worth. So right there, see, $10, $5, $1, $100. So it's right there. Now, we do the same thing we do with money. So let's say we had a $100 bill and a $100 bill and a $100 bill and a $10 and a $10 and a 1 and a 1 and a 1. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding up the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 300. And we're going to add our tens. 10, 20, plus our ones, 3. So we start with the largest number and we slowly start adding up the smaller ones until we get the total of $320. Now today you're going to have some practice with adding up dollar bills, not only at the teacher station, but you'll also use it in our math journal. So go ahead and get your math journal out and you can start working on page 17. When you get done, there will also be some work in Freckle dealing with adding up coins and dollar bills.